Good evening, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports, and tonight we're very excited to offer you guys another in-house DAS Cherokee XJ. First and foremost, this is a 1999 Cherokee XJ Classic with 60,000 original and documented miles. This Jeep, like all of our Jeeps, came to us 100% original, all bone stock. All the modifications and upgrades and services have been done here in-house by Davis AutoSports. If you are unfamiliar with us, please pause this video, go to our website, davisautosports.com, to get familiar with who we are, what we do. If you're watching this on YouTube on a desktop, on the right side of your screen, you'll probably see some other Cherokees that we've built over the years. We are now well over 300 XJs built since we've been in business. And as I'm sure you guys know, these things are getting harder and harder to come across. We have years of experience building these. I'm going to go through a majority of the new parts services performed on this XJ. There's going to be many more smaller items that I will miss, so please make sure to go to our website to get the full content. First, we'll go ahead and do a walk around so you can get a good visual of this Jeep. Absolutely beautiful XJ. Now my camera is telling me that we have 4.5 minutes and counting down to memory. We've been shooting a lot today, so I'm going to kind of go through this as quick as I can. Suspension wise, we have a full Rubicon Express suspension setup on this truck. New coils, new shocks, new control arms, track bar, tie rod ends, drag link bar, steering stabilizer. We have all new U-joints all the way around. All the hardware to all the suspension and steering is all brand new, all grade 8 hardware. Sway bar end links, sway bar bushings, rear leaf springs. Wheels and tires, we have a set of beautiful Nitto CHEROKEE tires on a set of bronze ATX wheels, which looks absolutely killer against this white. This paint has been fully paint corrected, compound polished, buff, wet sanded, and it shows as nice as any Cherokee that you will find. This truck, only 61,000 miles. We went ahead and serviced the entire engine. Brand new rear main seal, valve cover, oil pan gasket. All new plugs, wires, distributor cap. We upgraded the cooling system. We have a dual core aluminum upgraded radiator. We have also a tranny cooler that you see up front. So your transmission and oil system is going to be nice and cool. New water pump, thermostat, everything to do with the cooling system is all brand new as well. The complete drive line has been fully serviced. Front differential, transfer case, transmission, rear differential have all been fully serviced and refilled with synthetic fluids. We have red ARB diff covers on the Jeep as well. We have, as you see, a aluminum Gen 30-gallon gas tank. That is a huge upgrade on this Jeep. So one of the things that we do here at Davis AutoSports, we've been building these XJs. Like I mentioned earlier, we have over 300 under our name. Also want to show you guys some killer rock sliders that we have on there as well. They do have our Kevlar on there as well as the front bumper. But the weak point on these XJs are obviously the unibody, the frame, if you will, or lack of. So what we actually decided to do on this one, and we're going to move forward with a lot of our XJs with it, is we have the frame stiffeners on it. Now, we have a lot of pictures of the stiffeners on here. Our fabricating department, that is a very tedious job to do those stiffeners the right way. We have probably about 3 days just in installing those stiffeners, and it's a big upgrade. A lot of people don't do it because of the time involved, but it's well worth it at the end. We have a full brand new exhaust system on here, new high flow catalytic converter, new muffler, new over the axle pipe, new tailpipe. Obviously we have a full rear tire carrier. Up top we have a roof rack with 4 LED cubes. Now those are not wired, reason being some states do not allow top mount LED lights or any lights for that matter, so we did not want to cut a hole through the roof if whoever buys this Jeep is in a state where those are illegal. So we will install those later on according to where the Jeep will be sold. We have a set of authentic truck light LED headlights, and I'm getting a warning right now that we are getting ready to run out of memory. So I do apologize, guys. There's much more on this XJ. Please make sure to read the full bulletin on this XJ. As you see though, condition wise in this video, this thing is absolutely beautiful. Equally as impressive is the interior. Brakes have also been fully upgraded, drilled in slotted rotors, new pads, drum shoes, stainless steel brake lines. I really went over about 50% of what this Jeep has on it.